Hi, thanks for choosing Diamond Car Mats. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install your custom car mats. Before getting started, you want to make sure all other floor mats have been removed from the car. First, let's start by installing the driver's side mats. Find the correct mat by looking for the heel grip. Adjust the driver's seat all the way back and slide the mat into place. Use the attached rotating clips to slide under the plastic trimmings to ensure the mat is secure. Next, let's install the passenger side mat following the same steps. Be sure to slide the attached clips under the plastic trimmings to keep the mat in place. After the front mats have been installed properly, move the seats forward to install the rear mat. First, we'll need to slide the mat into place to cover the floor. Next, use the attached clips to keep the mat in place. For some car models, the mat may overlap the rear seat. If this is the case, simply tuck the excess under the rear bench seat by lifting gently and tucking the mat under. If needed, use one of the extra clips to secure any loose edges or corners. This will give the mat full coverage and ensure a proper fit. Now the installation of your custom car mats is complete. Thanks for choosing Diamond Car Mats.